Hello. Correct. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Hello. Are you are you able to hear me? Hello. 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 Are you able to hear me? Excuse me. Hear me. Hear me. Let me try recording and see whether it is recording or not. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Hello. Acha, now I think you have been able to join. Can you speak now?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, you are able to. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Now which screen are you reading now?
सर ये
You,
फेडरल बैंक जीडी क्वेश्चन.
yeah, very good. You are able to see that. Good,
Yes.
good. Now please take question number 20. Acha, I will give you something which you can expect in your interview. Like, hmm, question number 79. Please read.
Okay, sir. You oversee a team of employees, including Mr. A and Mr. B, who report directly to you. Additionally, there are five more team members who report to you through Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A efficiently handles customers' needs and maintain a healthy work-life balance by leaving the office early. On the other hand, Mr. B ensures tasks are completely promptly on the same day and is willing to stay late to achieve this. As you plan a 1 week foreign trip, you need to decide which of these two individuals will entrust with the responsibility of managing the branch in your absence.
See, normally when you are asked to go through the question like this, you will
Yes,
be
sir.
given 2 minutes time for you to prepare as to how you are going to talk about this. After that, each one of you, there will be a group of 10 people who will be attending on, say, Microsoft team. using
yes,
team, and in the team you must be having say good laptop with a good say camera and also good mic system so that you can be heard properly. And after the question is given on the screen, after giving 2 minutes, you will be each one will be given 1 minute time wherein you have to say, my name is so and so, I am studying in this college, this particular degree. And then you have to speak about this particular topic, namely 79.
yes, sir.
Here you have to tell what stand are you going to take. Are you going to give the job to Mr. A or to B? This is what you have to decide. Please speak.
Yes, sir. So good morning, sir. My name is Shivrakash Vishwakarma. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing MBA in Agribusiness from Institute of Management Studies, Banaras Hindu University. As the topic given to us is a concern of basically we have to decide to whom we have to give the responsibility. Sir, I will give the responsibility to the Mr. A for interest the responsibility of managing the branch of in the absence.
Why?
Sir, because Mr. A is a most task oriented because no sir, I will give the responsibility to the Mr. B and because he ensures his task completely he promptly on the same day because he is more task oriented and he believe in achieving his daily task and he also go late if his task is not completed on that day. So sir, I believe that he will be able to go complete all the tasks in the absence of mine.
See, if you talk like this, then after all of you talking for one minute each, they will give you 10 minutes time during which you have to argue in favor of your point. Why are
Yes,
you choosing B? You said B. I would like to choose B because he will be staying over time and complete the task, whereas A will not complete. Then people opposing you will tell, why are you thinking A will have arrears of work? He will complete it well, and he is a man who is maintaining work life balance. So it is good for us to give the work to Mr. A. They will object like that. So you must be able to manage to talk in favor of your points. You must talk in good English confidently. You are talking well, but that is what you have to do it. Very good.
sir. Basically, sir, confusion is that there is a both situation which we can go for A also for B also. So
Hmm. No, no.
it is little bit
Suppose,
confusing.
supposing I go for A, I will say I will give it to A only because he is not leaving any work incomplete. He is taking work-life balance properly. A person
Yes,
maintaining work-life balance will have a very peaceful mind and good effectiveness. He will perform the work well. Whereas
yes,
a person, if supposing I want to talk in favor of B, I will give it to B because he is not only very keen on getting the work done, he doesn't mind sitting late. So a person like that may be helpful for us to get the work done. So I would like to give it to Mr. B. So when you are talking in favor of B, you can oppose and say, we cannot be sure that A will be completing the work within the time. So when we are talking for A, we have to talk that B, though he is completing, but he sits late unnecessarily, spoiling his health and his effectiveness. So like that, you should argue. Understand?
yes, yes.
Very good. Please read question number 80.
You have been providing outstanding contribution to the company, but unfortunately your promotion was denied due to cost-cutting measures taken by the company. They said the promotion will taken after 2 years. In the meantime, one of your competitors company extended your an offer for 30%. In response to that, our company offers 25% hike and commitment to promote you in a while. Will you decide to stay in the company or accept the competitor's
Yes, speak.
Sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Shiv Prakash Vishkarma. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing MBA in Agri-Business from Institute of Management Studies, Banaras Hindu University. As the situation given to us, I will decide to stay in the company in this situation, because for me, in company loyalty matters more, because every company which hire the employees, they always look for the employee retention. If I am working in my company and it is committing to me, for that it will give me hike also 25%, and give me promotion after a while. And then why should I switch to the other company because of the more hikes like that? So I will stay with my company, because company loyalty is matters lot for me.
Okay. Supposing you want to talk in favor of the second company, how will you argue?
Sir, for the second, मतलब sir, for the 30%, for the
Yeah,
30%,
yeah, yeah, yeah. For the new company.
I have to talk in the favor of this situation, sir.
Supposing you want to talk in favor of that, how will you talk?
Sir, I will switch to the other company, because as my company is cost cutting also, that's why he's delaying my promotion and hikes also. Sir, for meanwhile, I can switch to the other company and will take the hikes, because this will give me financial stability, as well as I will get some more, some other exposures also, because of due to the promotion in other company, other companies work culture also, I will get exposure of that.
Okay. So actually, when you talk in favor of A, you can always say, this company has been keeping me for so many years. And
Yes,
through this company only, I learned a lot of things about how to deal with various situations. So I will be loyal to the company. And just for the sake of 5% increase in salary in the other company, I may not go. And even if I go there, I'm not sure I have to create a reputation. Whereas I have already created good reputation in my present company. So I will not go to second company.
yes,
Supposing I want to talk in favor of second company, so I would like to switch over to the second company because they will be giving me 5% increase also more than this first company has agreed. And when I go there, it will improve my financial prospects and also it will give me a sense of pride that I am occupying a new position and I will try to prove my merit by working well within that organization, just as I did in my first company. And where is the guarantee that first company is already having problem in monetary these things? So there may not be a guarantee I will get the increase in salary after some time. So I would like to go for second company.
yes, sir.
This is how you have to argue like that. And the 10 minutes again, also, you should repeat it and try to tell some other points. But only thing is, you should talk in correct English. You are talking well. You continue to do that. Possibly it will help you a lot. Today
Sir,
evening, today
yes, sir.
evening 9 p.m. we are going to discuss question number 14 and 15.
Yes, sir.
Please prepare for that and
Okay, sir.
come at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Best wishes.
Sir, one more question. Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, basically, sir, the GT is going to be online. So there is a more chances of the fish market. Sir, how can we tackle this situation?
What is it? How can we fish?
Sir, a
It will be
fish market.
online. Feel
Yeah,
like
yes, sir.
fish market. It will become like fish market depending on the group. But amidst them also, you should try to raise your voice and speak. And if somebody is repeatedly talking, you can say, Mr. So and so.
Yes,
I would request you to give chances for us to speak. You can ask.
yes, sir.
And if somebody is talking and he is not given an opportunity by many others, You can even take the lead of telling Mr. So and so, please let us give chance to Mr. So and so. He has been trying to talk for a long time. You can do that.
Okay, sir.
And depending on the facilitator telling, you can summarize and close the discussion. Like so many of us, say out of 10, 7 of us have talked in favor of this. This is the reason. And 3 of them talked in favor of this. This was the reason. Since
Yes,
majority of us have favored this proposal, I would like to conclude that this group is of this view. Like that, you can tell. Okay.
and sir, how many times we have to take entry in the GD?
How many times?
Sir, how many times we have to take entry in the GD
No, you have to enter during the 10 minutes, at least 2 times you must speak for
for
30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yeah, that will do. Okay.
Okay,
Best wishes. Thank you.
thank you,
I will post this video online. You can see that.
sir. But here voice is lagging somewhere
You
in this
can
video.
you you can watch that in the video.
Okay, sir.